Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is another group collaboration with my friend Jasmine again. If you guys saw the last collab I did with her and some other people, we were using the Conspiracy palette, and today's challenge, she wanted us to do a challenge based off of using a highlighter as an eyeshadow, and that was just the only requirement. We can use like multiple highlights on our eyes. We can do a full like shimmery look, but the only thing we had to do was use at least one highlight on our eyes. So this is the look I ended up creating. Again, I will leave Jasmine's channel down below, and I will leave the group playlist down below so you guys can go check out everybody's looks after you guys watch this one. There are a lot of people in this one this time. At least our group chat's really long. I don't know if everybody pretty much said they were doing it for sure or not. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I wanted to use one of the Jeffree Star Skin Frosts in either Lavender Snow or Mint Condition. I do have other ones of his Skin Frosts, but I wanted to go with a more fun highlight shade, and I think I want to dip into the Moonchild palette from Anastasia as well, just because these shades are kind of similar to these with being a fun color, but these are more light and iridescent, where these are like bam, complete color payoff. Alright, and since I'm wearing blue, I think we're gonna go with Mint Condition. Alright, so this is the Mint Condition shade right here. You guys can see that it is super pigmented and intense. So we are going to be using this as a lid shade. There's no way I think I can blend this as a crease shade because it's just intense. Like, look at that. It's intense. And this is like really rubbing my hand to blend it out. And then I have Blue Ice, Star, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon from the Anastasia Moonchild palette, just because I think these would kind of match with this shade we've got going on here. Maybe. So first I think I'm gonna take this shade here, and it's the shade, wow, it's the shade Jeffree. We got a Jeffree, we got a Star shade, and we're using Jeffree Star highlights. So that wasn't even planned, but we're gonna roll with it now. So now we're going to take this shade, which is Helen P, and apply this to the outer part of the crease. Alright, so now we're gonna take this shade right here, which is Sean, and we're gonna apply this in the outer corner. So next we're going to take Chris and just blend it more in the middle and into the crease a little bit. Take the Mint Condition Skin Frost, and we're going to apply this on the inner part of the lid. It's January and I feel like I'm in the middle of summer, somewhere tropical right now. I want to take a little bit of blue ice and Lucky Clover. Now I'm going to go back in with a mix of these two shades and run this on my lower lash line. A mix of these two shades and just like blend it out a little bit more. Alright, so I just applied the Mary Kay bronzer and the Wet n Wild blush. It's in Rose something. The thing's ripped off, but Rose something. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go in for like my face highlight with a mix of Star and Blue Ice, just because Alright guys, so this is the completed look with using a highlighter as an eyeshadow. So yeah, thank you Jasmine for including me in the collab. I've used Jeffree Star highlights before as eyeshadows, and they're actually like some of my favorite, the Skin Frost formula specifically, because they are so pigmented and metallic for highlights. So I've loved using these as shadows, especially Mint Condition and Lavender Snow, which is why those are like the two I was choosing between for my eyes, just because the mint one is a little too intense on my cheeks, which is why I used the Anastasia palette for my actual highlight. Everybody's videos will be in a playlist and I will link that down below for you guys, so definitely go check everybody out. And yeah, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notification so you guys know every single time I upload. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Baby, honestly, it's harder breathing next to you. I share a gun and as a picture